Here we have meaning of public administration. Meaning of public administration. Having introduced us to the subject matter of the concepts of public administration, here I want to look at some of the meanings and definitions that have been ascribed to the subject matter of public administration. Like I told us before, we do not have specific definition as regards public administration, as the term means different things to different people. And we cannot say this is the definition that is generally acceptable either by the generality of public administrator or that of political scientists, as we have several scholars on that particular subject area. So also we have several definitions and meanings that have been given over the years. But for convenience purposes, we are going to look at one or two definitions that have been given over the years in order to appreciate the effort of some of the scholars, one, and two, to know some of the meanings or redefinition that can be ascribed to the subject matter of public administration.